So on the journey day 24. 今ラオスの、ルアンババンにいるんですけども、今日は、アジアでもめちゃめちゃ有名、めちゃめちゃ有名でもないかな。でもラオスで、随一ぐらいの有名なクアンシーの滝っていう絶景と、あとプーシーの丘っていう、そのラオスのルアンババンを一望できるスポットに行ってきたいと思います。それではレッツショータイム。Let's go, guys.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Thank you, gentlemen.
Are you comfortable?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go.
はい、そんなにきつくない階段を上り終えるとこのような景色が待っております。
What?
What?
I'm sorry, I didn't understand it.
You know?
Okay, one more time. You have to record it one more time.
Yeah, okay. はい、今入ってきてクアンシーの滝、ルアンババンで一番有名な滝です。
No!
What is it?
Son of a bitch.
Oh.
But I think that kind of side doesn't do nothing.
Oh yeah.
Just scare you.
I'm not scared.
さあ、これまだちょっと下の方なんですけども、着きました。これはまだ全然序の口だそうです。周りの人に聞いてもこっちの方が全然ブルーラグーンですね。はい、ちょっともうちょい上上がってみたいと思います。Yeah. So now let's go.
Are you ready to see the most beautiful thing in Laos?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, come with me.
Okay, head down.
Head down.
Yeah, I'm head down.
Okay.
Are you okay? One, two, three.
Oh my god! What? ありがとうございます。
Be careful with your head.
Yeah.
Careful now. I not like.
Yeah, I think.
Jump. I think it's deep enough, right? Wait, my leg is.
I have no idea.
Feel it.
Yeah. Come on, Mexican. Oh.
Broken leg.
It's okay? Yeah, it's fine.
It's deep.
Yes.
Can you touch the ground?
Oh yeah.
Hey, here I can touch.
Ist doch alles okay.
Ja.
Ist kalt.
Ja. Let's go.
Come on.
That's not mark before. It's a little bit like yeah, it's a fish, right? No, it's no, it's bro. But hey, what's the no move?
Wait, it's so nice. Like
Yeah.
now it's hot. My body's hot.
Yeah. I'll bite something. I'll bite something.
Very good. Yeah.
No, really. Really. No, it's the carrot, right? No.
No way. It's a ay, pendejo. Ay, pendejo. Yes.
Yeah. It's amazing.
Huh?
Amazing.
Amazing.
静かな夕方です。